Today I'm going to show you how to DIY this adorable doll gift. You'll need pearl keychains, acrylic crystal balls, some candies or chocolates, and some paper confettis. Open the crystal ball and place some chocolates facing outward in it. Get some paper confetti to layer it. Top up with more chocolates. Remember to place them facing out. Once done, close the crystal ball. Lastly, secure with a pearl keychain, and this will make a very adorable ornamental gift.